was a test of my Leslie RS5T. I'm in the process of doing a restoration on these. Getting close, but not quite finished. You can see this bell here. Still have to do some work on that, getting rid of the rest of the paint. All the bells had at least 3 coats of paint, and a couple of them had 4 coats. Coats of paint. This one here has a lot lighter blue underneath, and I don't know if this is Conrail colors. The outer colors were the dark blue CSX blue, so I'm thinking that might be even Conrail colors. I'm not real sure though. Come around back here. You can see a brass tag there. Kind of rough shape, really weathered bad. And the date on the manifold is 1970. So that's what they sound like. Hopefully the video will sound good too.